speechless pare.
Yeah.
Ako ba? Well, sa wakas, yan, nangyari na. Kasi marami naghihintay. Pasensya na ako natagalan na. So, pero kasi siyempre may mga challenges and efforts na kailangan yan. So, sa wakas, nakahinga rin ako kasi gusto ko. And we are actually such a relief because I've always believed that we're meant to be together.
So Sir Jay, what moved you to finally decide na mag-propose?
Siguro sa dami ng pag marami na kayo pinagdaanan sa tagal ng panahon. Tapos, sabi ko nga kay Kim parang kahit saan ako tumingin, nakikita ko siya nakasama. Tapos nangangarap ako ngayon na pangarap ko kasama. So I think that's the moment that I've decided na mapunta na talaga.
So take us back ba how you planned this proposal? Like, meron bang mga best parts of planning at saka most challenging parts?
I've been planning this proposal. I have the ring since last year, May. Because I was planning to do it on her birthday sana last year. But mag-abroad sana kami. But then again, nagkaroon na season ng project namin. So hindi ko nagawa. Tapos sabi ko, nag-suggest ako, let's go abroad na lang ng Christmas. But, tapos hindi rin natuloy yung abroad ng Christmas because of certain circumstances and challenges also. And then I've decided to do it sa concert ng Coldplay. Dala ko yung sing-sing sa backpack. But then again, nag-LBM again. Ang gulo, medyo sobrang rowdy ng tao. Sobrang dami, 50,000. So hindi natuloy. Then I planned on doing it ng July. Sabi ko, anniversary. Tapos, sabi ko, ipopropose ako somewhere here. Sabi ko, hindi, parang mas gusto ko gawin siya sa Italy, sa Venice, kung saan. Yung role ko kasi sa Rakapiti, si gondolier ng baha. Gagawin ko dun talaga sa Venetia, sa Italy. Tapos, gusto ko sana yung intimate yung sabi ko, hindi rin natuloy. Tapos, parang, it's too much kung patatagalin ko. And next year is the 11th year. So, I think, sabi ko, this is the moment to seize it. So, let's start again.
Nagkaroon po ba kayo ng pre-proposal jitters? Tapos, if meron naman po, how did you overcome it?
Ang dami kong pre-proposal anxiety. Anxiety. It has to be anxiety because of the things that hindi makontrol and because of a lot of circumstances. And but yun nga, it's the ultimate goal. It doesn't matter if you're anxious about it.
So Ms. Kim, nagkaklubo ba kayo na propose siya this week or this day?
Kasi kami kasi ni Gerald, most of the things that we do, we talk about it like sa business namin. We've been living together during the pandemic. Hence, financially, I have my own, he has his own. Pero meron kaming dalawa lang din. But of course, ginagamit kasi namin yun sa business. So, alam kasi namin yung priorities namin. So, basically, that's, mas naging practical lang din kami because of the pandemic that happened. So, that's also the reason why people keep on asking us, bakit wala pa? Ba't hindi pa kayo nag-plan or anything else? Kasi I think we had that mindset muna to be stable enough, you know. And I gave it time. And ako naman, ganun din naman kasi ako. I had a lot of things to do. But he knows my heart. So, I guess narinig niya from afar.
Okay po. So, next, meron na po ba kayong plan, location and date po para sa wedding or wala pa po?
Wala pa
Ay! As a kid, gusto mo yung ako nagsabagot. Ayaw, wala pa. Kailangan ko pag i-approve sa kanya. Pero meron kasi...
Pero common na namin ito namin is dagat.
Dagat talaga.
Probably malapit sa dagat.
swimming.
Wow.
As
Hindi sa ilalim ng dagat.
Sa ilalim ng dagat.
Vibe.
Siguro, pero hindi pa namin alam. Kasi, alam niyo yun, pag bata ka, as a little girl, lumaki at Disney princess, meron ka mga sinasave sa Instagram. Meron ka, girl, alam mo yun.
Pinterest.
Sa Pinterest, na ang pangalan lang ng album ay, wala siyang pangalan. Ano lang siya, symbol, flower, gano'n, o kaya crown. So, meron kang mga dream, meron kang dream album. So, I think, titingnan ka na. Pero alam ko, pareho kasi kami dito yung mahilig sa isda. So, baka sa talipa pa. Charis.
Okay. So last question, do you have any last reactions or words po na about what happened?
Most likely, I would say go back to the makeup. Until now.
Parang yung same thing.
Hindi ko.
Ako, yeah. Same with Kim. But for now, kasi kapag kasama naman kami ni Kim, so we can actually tell it to each other, I think, with our reaction. For now,
I have a lot of questions.
Ayun, nakahinga. But for now, we have to entertain the guests because they sobrang good ones.
Yeah!
And for now, I ulit-ulitin ko sobrang papasalamat ng suppliers. Gideon and Mosha, Kim Torres Events, Nice Print, Miss Char, thank you so much. Who else? Jeff of Manila Craft, Suki Alfresco, and a lot more. So, ang sarap lang ng pakiramdam ng may mga tao.
Hi everybody, this is Kim Molina.
Jello Capoles,
Please visit